Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. We're back again with Flash in front of us. Everything is a-okay out here in sunny Thailand. I've just had me folks over. They've gone back home to cold, snowy England. I do not envy them. God, snow. God, I'm cold thinking about it, okay? So this is it. Next tool we're going to get into is the eraser tool. And the eraser tool works very similar to the actual brush tool, okay? Again, I'm going to make myself a shape. This time I'm going to make myself a rectangle. In fact, that's not going to be any good because I got the same. I'm going to make a green as a stroke. I'm just going to make a rectangle. I'm going to actually Control Z that. I'm going to come to page properties. I'm going to make that stroke not that big. That's a bit wild. Let's make it 8. That's fine. And again, I'm going to apply a stroke. Okay, so here's our square, our green stroked black filled square. Okay. And what we have here, again, when we select the eraser tool, which is left click on the eraser tool, or the shortcut is E, okay, you're going to have some more options down here. What you have down here is, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it like the brush tool. I'm just going to bring this up a bit just so you can see all of them. Okay, what you have here again is you have the eraser mode, okay, and we're going to go over this right now. I'm just going to quickly change the fill color to, let's say, red, just for viewing purposes. You've got erase normal. Okay, so this basically is going to do what you think it's going to do. It's going to erase everything, whether it's a stroke, whether it's a fill, it's just going to erase it. Next one down is erase fill, which is, you all know what that's going to do. It's basically just going to erase the fills and leave the strokes as they are. Okay, so just erasing the color in the middle. Control Command Z that. Next one is erase the lines, and that's pretty obvious on what that's going to do. It's going to erase the actual stroke lines, okay, and it's going to leave the fill as it is. Control Command Z that. Next one down is erase selected fills. I'm just going to quickly make a selection. Okay, I'm then going to come back to the erase tool and erase selected fills, and I'm just going to and you'll now notice that it's actually erasing the selected area that I've done. I mean, you're all expert at this now. I don't even need to do this. I don't even need to show you this. You're all pros at this now. And then the last one, let me do a Control Command Z, and the last one is erase inside. Okay, so it's going to erase everything inside. Okay, and there we go, it's erasing all this stuff inside. So this is pretty obvious on what this does. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to select I'm going to choose erase fill. Just want to show you how to use the next tool. So I chose the option of erase fills, okay, because I want to show you what this one does. Now this is the facet, okay. What this is like, how can I explain it? Something like a paint bucket inside of Photoshop. What it does is it allows you to delete out areas, individual areas. So let me click on this and show you what I mean. I'm going to select this option here, and I'm going to delete here. Okay, you'll notice that as we got a line, as this actual fill here is split into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Okay, when I just simply left click, it deletes that whole area. So whatever's that one color in that area, that's what it's delete. So this area here, you see we have this little black bit. It will only delete that little black bit. Okay, it's very handy to use. Like this section here, it can't come into this section because this section is split up by this white line. Okay, it can't actually get in there, so all it can do is take the selection area that it's in. So all of this black area all linked together, I left click, it deletes it. Okay, so that's a very handy tool. Sometimes it can come in really handy sometimes. And then the next option here is, again, like the brush tool, you can make your brush size smaller, and you can also change the shape of it to square or circles. Okay, so you can really get in there, and you can really get in close with, let's say, erase normal. You can get in there and delete certain information that you don't want in there. Okay, so again, the eraser tool, pretty obvious what it does. Had to explain it to you though. Definitely worth using these options here, where you can erase normal, fills, lines, selected fills, or erase inside. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next One Stop Tutorials. Please subscribe to my YouTube, check out my website. Any questions, please let me know. I'll catch you guys and girls very soon. Laters, everyone.